I want to talk a little about my family, my Shittie family. I have many Shittie brothers, but one of them is very holy. Very holy. When I see him, I say, Holy Shittie. My holy brother I know is very holy because he tells me this. He doesn't drink, he doesn't smoke or do drugs in front of people. He's very respectful. He goes and hides and does his drugs and drinking and smoking. He's a private person. I respect that. My older brother, who is very holy, he does not have sex outside of marriage, just outside the house. My holy brother always obeys his mommy. She told him if he's a good boy, she will let him sit on her lap for his 72nd birthday. He loves to sit on her lap and play with her two big ears.